Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to customize always on display on this device. So first you should go into the settings application. So I'll show you again. You should go into the settings application and then tap here on the display section. I'll just scroll a little bit down here to the always on display. Here, as can you see, we can just change the times when our AOD shows on our screen. We can just tap to show for 10 seconds. We can show always the AOD, or as a schedule you can just set up here this schedule. We'll just stay with it always. Here we can change our clock style, for example with the calendar or with the birthday of just some people, or we can just go with the another clocks, for example with this one. We can change here the colors of our clock and date. Here we can just tap here to done. We can also show if we'll just play the music, we can show this information here. And now we'll just see the changes. As can you see, by this way we can customize our always on display feature on this device. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.